Hello friends, and welcome to Faro DIY and Decor. For our this week's look, I'm going to give this beautiful bed a very quick paint. I want to make it a rustic farmhouse look. So first of all, I will give it a quick sand. Sanding will give you two benefits. First of all, the varnish or the top coats that are fading, you're going to get rid of that. And the second is that your next paint is going to stick with the furniture very well. If you're new to this channel, you're most welcome. Please don't forget to give this video a big thumbs up if you liked our video, and subscribe to our channel to see more of the DIY projects that we are going to share. As you can see that the first coat is covering all the areas very well, but when the time comes and it starts to dry, you will realize that you need more coats. So I had to give this beautiful header 3 coats of paint and 3 coats of wax on top of that. It's going to take lots of your time, but keep in mind that the more hard work you do, the more good the furniture will come out. So here I'm showing you the difference of the first coat with the second coat that I'm doing. Just keep it in mind that you have to do 10 layers. If you are going to do it a thick layer, it's going to stand out, it will have more textures on it, and it will be hard for you to put the second coat. For the other areas that I decided to paint them elephant gray, I used a tape first of all, and then started painting on those areas. For this part, I'm not using any tape because it already has the outline, so I have to just be really careful with the brush and start applying the paint on it. At the beginning, I was thinking that I will do all this part elephant gray, but then I realized that it's going to be too dark for a small bedroom. So we changed our decision and made that one white. And instead of sanding this beautiful piece, I used a dry brush and went over the areas that I wanted to make them look old. So first of all, I used the elephant gray on top of the white, and white on top of the elephant gray. It gave me a very rustic look, but you should be careful to start it with a very minimum amount of paint at the beginning, and then later on, if you thought that that was a very less amount, so you can always go ahead and add more paint on them. Then I realized that the de-stressing wasn't enough, so I started using the gold acrylic paint and started going all over the edges that I thought would age more. So finally, now we are happy with the result. After all the de-stressing on this project, it was time to give it a clear wax coat. We did 3 coats of clear wax on this piece. I hope you like this video as much as we loved working on this project. Don't forget to give this video a big thumbs up if you liked it. Share your ideas down in the comment below, and please don't forget to subscribe and hit the bell icon as well. Thank you so much for watching. See you next week.